Welcome to a series of videos about my new generative art project. I want to start with line segments. Let's create a line segment class. Coordinates of the first point and the second one. What if we need to be able to intersect two different line segments? I don't fully understand how this code should work. We are checking these conditions and these ones. Next, if our line segments intersect, we find the coordinates. If suddenly our coordinates could not be calculated, we filter them out. And we are returning the intersection point. Let's check this code. To begin with, we are creating line segments and drawing them. We are intersecting them each with each other. Something like this. It looks right. We'll need it in the next video.